how to connect Sim dashboard to PS5. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to connect the Sim dashboard app to your PlayStation 5. This setup will allow you to display real-time telemetry data like speed, RPM, and gear on your mobile device while playing games such as Gran Turismo or Formula 1. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Sim Dashboard on your mobile device. First, download and install the Sim Dashboard app on your Android or iOS device. You can find it on the Google Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open the app. Step 2. Ensure both devices are on the same network. Make sure your PS5 and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Configure telemetry settings in the game. Now, let's configure the telemetry settings in your game. We will use Gran Turismo 7 as an example. Launch Gran Turismo 7 on your PS5, navigate to Options, Network Settings, enable UDP telemetry, set the UDP IP address to your mobile device's IP address. You can find this in the Sim Dashboard app under Instructions. Step 4. Start a race to activate the telemetry. Start a race in your game. Telemetry data will begin transmitting once the race has started. Step 5. Verify the connection in Sim Dashboard. Return to the Sim Dashboard app on your mobile device. You should now see a real-time telemetry data displayed. If not, double-check that both devices are on the same network and that the IP address and port settings are correct. And that's it. You successfully connected the Sim Dashboard app to your PS5. Enjoy your enhanced racing experience with the real-time telemetry data at your fingertips. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.